Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Implementing a custom code page for a serial device in Python involves encoding and decoding text to match the specific character set required by the device. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, and will use Python's codecs module to create a custom encoding and decoding scheme. For this tutorial, we'll assume that you have a basic understanding of Python. Step 1. Define your custom code page. Before you begin, you need to understand the character mapping used by your serial device. You should have a table that specifies which input characters map to which output characters. For this tutorial, let's assume you're implementing a simple code page that converts lowercase letters to uppercase letters. Step 2. Create a Python module for the code page. Start by creating a Python module for your custom code page. You can call this module something like custom_codepage.py. In this module, you'll define two functions, one for encoding and one for decoding. Step 3. Implement the serial communication. Now, let's create a Python script that uses your custom code page module and communicates with the serial device. Make sure you have the serial library installed. You can install it using pip if you haven't already. Here's an example script. In this example, we first configure the serial connection, make sure to replace COM1 with your actual serial port, encode the text using your custom code page, send it to the serial device, and then read and decode the received data. Remember to replace the encoding and decoding logic in the encode_text and decode_text functions with the actual logic required for your custom code page. By following these steps and customizing the encoding and decoding logic in custom_codepage.py, you can implement a custom code page for your serial device in Python. ChatGPT.